All right, what's going on, friends? If you're new to my channel, help me out by hitting that subscribe button. And check out all my other videos I have on my channel. I have many other videos on my channel, and all my videos I try to make them very easy to understand, and I try to make them as short as I can, just to try to help you guys out. I've been riding mountain bikes since I was real little, and this is one of the bags that I just loved when I got older. I liked carrying a bag around to carry stuff in, and it's a Topeak bag. So I've had this bag, and both of these things I'll put down in the description, but I didn't know how to hook this bag easily onto my Himiway rack without buying a complete different rack. But I've already tried this out and it does work. I'm going to show you how I take this wood off and I hook this rack on that I bought off of Amazon to hook this bag on. Let me show you how this bag works if you've never seen one. On one side or the other here, I'll put pictures of different things that you can get to slide onto this rack. I'll show you how this works. My wife has my old rack that I had on my mountain bike on her bike, and there's a little channel on the bottom of these bags right here, and then there's this thing on the front, but you can slide that right on there and it clips in, and that's it. If you want to take it off, it'll slide off. But these bags are awesome, and they're like they're hard on the sides, so you can open them up and stick stuff in. There's a pocket right here, pockets on the side of this one. Some of them have a spot in the back here for a water bottle. You can hook stuff on top under here. This bag's kind of getting old. But before I forget, you can also check out my t-shirts that I have down below this video, and I'll have them down in the description. So I designed it. I'm going to try to design a couple more. You can buy, there's different colors, different sizes, and my wife also designed a couple of t-shirts. They're a Christian type t-shirt if you want to check them out. This one says God Bless America down the side. But if you want to check them out, go ahead. That would help support my channel also. Now real quick, I'll show you how I hook this on here. Some of the tools you will need, you're going to need at least a 3mm Allen wrench, and then maybe you might need an 8mm wrench because there's little nuts down underneath here that you got to put on. But I actually already tried this, and I was able to put my fingers on there and just take my screw gun and take these out. But or you could use maybe a set of pliers to hold onto that nut and just a screwdriver. So let me get these off real quick, and I'll show you how I hook that up. I can just hold on to these down here. So each one will have a nut and a washer underneath each one of these. Now let me get the other three out. I'll just snap my fingers. It's a lot easier than using that screwdriver. There, all three are out. That's a lot easier. And pull that off, and you can save this in case you decide to sell your bike. Now you just take this. It's going to come just like that. At least I think mine came like this. It had it mounted here and here. There's two other holes here. I'm going to put the front one up here and leave this back one already in that spot. One other thing I'm going to use maybe would be some Loctite. If you don't have some of this stuff, and even the Allen wrenches, you can go buy it at the hardware store, or I'll even put some of that down in the description if you don't want to go look for it. But this Loctite will help from your bike rattling around a lot. It'll help those screws stay on. So now I'm going to take this. You can turn this over, and mine came loose, so if it didn't, just take your 3mm Allen and loosen these up a little bit. All these, loosen those two up. So you're going to slide these all the way out. If you decide to put Loctite on them, I don't know if it matters, but I did try not to move this around a lot because there's a little nut down there, and I don't know if that would slide around, but I had pretty good luck there. That not moving. So, and let me do these other three, and I'll get back with here. But I'm going to put that all on and tighten all these up. So let me do these other three. Okay, I took all three of these screws out, and I put Loctite on them. You may not have to do that, but that's just what I did. Now I took this screw out completely, and I'm gonna end up moving that one up here, okay? So now we're gonna flip this over. This back one, I end up just loosening this up just a little bit because it makes it hard to get under. Then we'll slip that under there, just like that. I'm gonna put some Loctite for this front one. Don't tighten that up yet. And I'm gonna take this front one, and I end up putting this down under here, like this. Make sure if you have any wires there, you don't pinch your wires. And I thought it was good to push this all the way up front. That way I know this front can't go back and forth at all. The back, I think it seems like the back's gonna stay just fine, but okay, now. And once you get that on there, and just tighten her up. And you can tighten the back one up. And I also changed my fender here, if you noticed. They usually come down here. I didn't really like how it looked, so I changed that. And I do have a video I'll put here at the end on how I did that. But there you go, that's how you hook on that bracket. Now I can slide my bag on here. Hooks right on. Good to go. All right, well, I hope you like this video of me putting my bag on here. Check out some of my other videos I have on my Himiway bike, or some of my other videos I have on my pool, John Deere lawnmower, my Harman pellet stove, my camper. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because one of my next videos coming up is going to be me taking this kid trailer and I'm going to turn this into just a normal trailer, because my kids are all grown up now, to tow behind my Himiway. I'm going to put some wooden sides on it, and I'm going to carve my YouTube channel name maybe even in the side, and just try to make this look nice. Have a trailer that I can tow behind my bike. I tried looking at some trailers that I could just buy, but they were a little bit more expensive than I thought, and I still have my kids' trailer that I've saved over the years, so just look forward to seeing this video pop up. All right, well, thanks for watching my video. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up for this video, leave me a comment down below. God bless and have a great summer.